Mastering the art of staging sequence. Hello, and welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're going to unfold the meaning of an intriguing phrase, staging sequence. This term may not be an everyday expression, but understanding it will definitely enhance your comprehension of complex English narratives and instructions. Let's dive in. A staging sequence refers to a series of steps, stages, or actions arranged in a specific order to achieve a particular goal. It's like following a recipe where you add ingredients in a certain sequence to bake a cake. In language, we use this structure to present information logically, ensuring that the listener or reader can follow along without confusion. Understanding and using a staging sequence is crucial in both verbal and written communication. It helps in 1. Organizing thoughts, clearly presenting your ideas in a logical order. 2. Giving instructions, making sure the steps are easy to follow, like in a manual or a recipe. 3. Storytelling, narrating events in a sequence that makes the story coherent and engaging. Let's look at some common scenarios where a staging sequence is essential. Cooking recipes. First, preheat the oven, then mix the ingredients, and finally bake. Assembly manuals. Start by assembling the base, then add the shelves, and lastly secure the top. Narrating an event. First, I woke up, then I had breakfast, and finally, I left for work. Creating a clear and effective staging sequence involves 1. Clarity. Be precise and clear about each step. 2. Order. Maintain a logical order that is easy to follow. 3. Transitions. Use transition words like firstly, then, next, and finally, to guide your audience through the sequence. Understanding and mastering staging sequences can significantly enhance your communication skills, making your instructions, stories, and information clear and enjoyable. I hope this video helps you in structuring your thoughts and ideas more effectively. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.